Hello everyone. In this video I am showing you the instrument, pathological instrument, that is microtome. It is used in the pathology laboratory for the purpose of cutting sections. So I will show you the parts of this microtome. So first of all, in the microtome you should know about this one, the round one, which is called as rotary wheel. The rotary wheel is having a handle. With the help of this handle you have to move this one like this. When you are moving like this, here you can see this part of the microtome is moving up and down, okay, like this. So right, so this is rotary wheel and this is operating handle. And here comes the next part. This part will hold the block holder. We have to fix the block like this. This is the block holder. We have to fix this block holder in this one and tight the screw. Yes. So by catching the block, by catching this block holder, the block it will make the block to move up and down like this. And this one is the knife holder. This is the microtome knife. You have to fix the knife like this. You have to fix the knife like this, and this screw will help us to adjust the knife position to whether we have to tilt it forward or backward, like this, forward or backward. And after adjusting it, you can tighten the adjustment with the help of this one. And once it is adjusted, then with the help of the spanner which is provided with along with this microtome, you can tighten this screw. This screw will help us in adjusting the microtome knife, and this one will help us in tilting the microtome knife. Tilting means moving like this, okay, and adjustment means we have to loose this screw and we have to move it forward and backward. This one is for tilting, this one is for moving forward and backward. So, and this is the microtome knife. This is the microtome knife and this is the spanner, and this is the handle. We have to use this while sharpening the microtome knife like this. This is the handle. You can remove the handle with the help of the screw. And place the knife in this one and tighten the screws and tilt the knife towards the block and tighten it, and then with the help of a spanner adjust the knife. And now when you are moving this microtome, you will get the sections from here. And the last part is this one. This is the thickness adjustment knob, okay. So here it is having from 0 to 25. So if you change this one, you will get a 1 micron thickness. If it is here 2 microns, 3. If it is here 5 microns, if it is here 10 microns. So as per your requirement, you have to adjust the knob and fix the block to the block holder and tilt the knife and adjust the knife and perform section cutting with the help of this operating handle. So this total instrument is called as microtome. Thank you.